Alright, I'm going to be doing a Digitizer replacement on a iPhone 3GS because, like you can see, the screen is cracked. So I'm just going to be changing that out. So let's turn it off first. I'm going to be using a small Phillips head screwdriver to take out the two screws down here. A open prying tool. I like to use my metal prying tool, and a suction cup to remove the screen. First, take out the two screws. Alright, try and lift up the screen just with the suction cup. Yeah, this screen is going to need a little bit of help. Alright, so I'm going to try and lift it up a little bit with the suction cup, and with the prying tool I'm going to help it right here. This little thing right here. Alright. Now with the Phillips head screwdriver again, you need to remove 3 screws on this side and 3 on this side. Also missing one here. This screw looks like it's Alright, so now that the 6 screws are out, you can lift up the LCD from the lower side to the upper side. So sometimes you may need to just separate the frame a little bit. So there's the LCD. We'll put this down right here, and we're going to now need to we're also going to need a hair dryer or a heat gun to heat up the screen a little bit, make it easier to remove. there, get in between the glass and the plastic frame. There you go, this one's coming out pretty easy. Remove any glass that might stay on the frame. Alright, so now let's put on the new adhesive. To clean the home button a little bit of it, you know, it has a lot of dust on it. Okay, cool. That's on. Now let's put on the top. Now that all the new adhesive is on, we go ahead and put the new screen on. Alright, so let's remove the plastic films on it. Very careful with the cable. Digitizer on LCD. Put all the screws back in. cable number 3, which is the ear speaker and the proximity sensor. Alright, so put the white clip back on. And now the digitizer flex cable. And last, the LCD cable, which is cable number 1. Once all the cables are in, you can use the LCD and the digitizer assembly back in.